In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, peace be upon you all. This is an English session, grade 9. Unit 1, lesson 5, embarrassing moments. Embarrassing moments. Embarrassing moments. This is the title of our lesson, embarrassing moments, okay? A new vocabulary, embarrassed, embarrassing, I nearly died, a black eye, spelled mirror, kind, funny, friendly, sad, helpful, quiet. Okay, what's the difference between embarrassed and embarrassing? What's the difference between embarrassed and embarrassing? Adjective with ed is used to talk about how a person feel. How a person feel. Adjective with ing is used to talk about the person, the thing, and the place which make them feel like that. Okay? Adjective with ed is used to talk about how a person feel. For example, I was very embarrassed because it was an embarrassing situation. Again, I was very embarrassed. Adjective with ed is used to talk about how a person feel. I was embarrassed, or I was very embarrassed because the situation was very embarrassing. Embarrassing, or adjective with ing, is used to talk about the person, the thing, and the place which make us feel like that. Okay? I nearly died, or embarrassed means to feel shy and silly. Embarrassed means to feel shy and silly. Embarrassed means to feel shy and silly. Okay? I nearly died. It's an expression. It means I nearly died means I was very embarrassed. This happened when an embarrassing situation happens to me. I'll say I nearly died, okay? I was very embarrassed. A black eye means the area of the face around the eye is bruised and black, not the eye itself. When someone has a black eye, this means that the area of the face around the eye is bruised and black, not the eye itself. Spilled means make liquid flow out. Spelled means make liquid flow out. Mirror, a glass you can see yourself in, or glass you can see. Mirror is glass you can see yourself in. Again, embarrassed means to feel shy and silly. I nearly died. It's an expression means I was very embarrassed. A black eye means that the area of the face around the eye is bruised and black, not the eye itself. Spell means make liquid flow out. Mirror, a glass you can see yourself in. New structure. Our structure today is talking about adjectives. What's the meaning of adjectives? Okay. An adjective is a word which we use to describe a noun. An adjective is a word which we use to describe a noun or pronoun. Okay? For example, kind, funny, friendly, sad, helpful, and quiet. Adjective versus relative clause. Relative clause. Adjective versus relative clause. Okay? We can use the adjective to describe or to modify or to clarify a noun, and we can use relative clause. This part of the sentence is used to modify or to clarify instead of the adjective. For example, I like helpful people. Okay? I like helpful people. Where is the adjective? The adjective is helpful. Okay? It describes the pronoun I. We use it to modify the pronoun I. Okay? We can use relative clause instead of the adjective. Relative clause, for example, who plus verb, to modify or to clarify the noun. Okay? I like people who are helpful. And we can say I like people who help others. Again, an adjective is used to describe a noun, and relative clause, this part of the sentence, is used to modify or to clarify the noun or the pronoun. Another example, I like quiet people. Use who. I'll say I like people who are quiet. So an adjective, don't forget, an adjective is used to describe a noun or to modify or clarify a noun. And the relative clause, this part of the sentence, is also used to modify a noun or clarify a noun. We have finished. Goodbye. See you next session.